Hi, boys and girls. So we're going to continue to practice how to understand tens and ones. So we're looking at a specific number of blocks here, and we're going to show multiple ways of showing the same number. Okay, so first, let's count our blocks. How many blocks do we have? Okay, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So we have 22. Now, what are two different ways that you can show me the number 22? If we were using place value, if you're using tens and ones, like these pictures over here, what are two different ways that you could do it? So first, I'm going to show you a little trick. Let's see if we can group any numbers by tens. That will give us a good idea of how many tens we have. So let's count tens and circle them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 here, so let's circle it. Let's see if we can make another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. So we have another 10. So by looking at this number, how many 10s do we have already? Okay, if you said 2, you are correct. So let's go ahead and draw our two 10s. So our two 10s. And then how many 1s do we have? If you said 2, you are correct. So here's our two 1s. Okay, so this is one way of showing 22. What's another way of showing 22? Let's try. Let's see if we can erase one of our 10s. So now, how many 10s do we have? Just one set. So we're going to go ahead and draw our 110 here. And how many 1s do we have now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 1s. So we go ahead and draw our 12 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this is another way of showing 22. And if we don't have any 10s whatsoever, and we just did all 1s, this would be another way of showing 22. Just 22 1s. Okay, boys and girls. So in your worksheet, you're going to be asked to do the same thing with the number 23. So same example. It says show 23 different 10s and 1s. Use base 10 blocks. Make 23 one way. Write the 10s and the 1s. So as you see here, you have your 10, 10, and your 3 1s. So 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 3 is 23. So you have 2 10s and 3 1s. The other way, you have 1 10 and how many 1s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 10 and 13 1s. They both show the same number, 23, just a slightly different way, just like in our example. So now they're asking us to do the same thing for 45, for the number 45, and for the number 54. So right now, boys and girls, either you can draw them like how I drew it on our board, or you can go ahead and go get 45 Legos, or 45 toys, or 45 dolls, whatever you have. Or you can make little papers. Just cut a little piece of folder paper and make 45 pieces. And then let's try and solve. How many 10s do you have in one example? How many 1s? How many 10s you have in one example, how many 1s. And do the same thing for number 54. Just how we did it together. At the end of it, it's going to ask you, what are other ways you can show these numbers? So have fun with it, boys and girls. Draw some pictures. Go get some Legos or some toys. Go get pens and markers, crayons, whatever you want. Make sure you find 2 different ways of writing those numbers. Okay, have fun. Bye.